Web traveler. We're opening this box. Ooh, the box feels nice. I don't know much about this set, except of there is a Rin Tosuka card in here. Obviously my goal is to get one. Oh, it's open like this. Okay, what do we have here? Packaging. And a promo pack. Okay, cool. And also, I want to add... Oh my god, there's so much air in these packs. Is there only one card in the pack? Oh my god, that's so annoying. This video is sponsored by me. It's one card. I can't imagine this being two cards because it's so light and there's so much air in this packaging. That would suck ass. A large one. But let's see. Okay. Thank god. There are more cards than one. There are 3 of them. They're thin, they're not thick, so bonus points, I guess. But why only 3? We will see. Maybe they are worth it. From the look of it, good shine. A lot of Legato story. Not many of like other manufacturers can do this, so that's already a little bit impressive. Then let's disappointing second card, but let's see the back. The back looks actually kind of nice. Also has a pattern here, which is cool, but I would like more cards in the back instead of, you know, a very cool background of a card. Then we have a puzzle piece, and if I remember correctly, we agreed that we have a first official Web Travelers rule. You are not allowed to put puzzle pieces in your packs if you only have 5 or less cards. Oh my god, I forgot how the rule officially goes, so sorry about this, but 3 cards and then puzzle pieces, you suck ass. That's not allowed. We as community Web Travelers decided that you suck ass, officially. Like, there's no going around of it. You can change it only if you put more cards in it. There are 2... what? What the fuck can I... what is this? There are 2 puzzle pieces. That's Robin from One Piece. This one looks like fucking hairy pussy juicy. But I can't imagine it being that. It's probably some clothing there. That's also Robin, by the way. So that's at least 1 set. My god, man. Alright, let's see what's in the promo pack. I can already tell you this one is thick. See? It's thick. It's an EX. There's also texture on the back. Surprise me. Alright. Stargirls 2. This is an interesting design. I have already seen something like this. Shine is cool. Character is cool. It's probably from Fate, by the way. You didn't impress me with it, but I'm okay with it. You didn't disappoint me, so that's also a good thing. Because you did disappoint me with the first pack that I opened. Oh my god, okay. Please, for the love of god, no more puzzle pieces. Emilia, good design, good choice, very cool. Alright, puzzle piece. Very nice. That's just what I need. 2 puzzle pieces of different set. I can't even see from which set they belong to, so I'm just like need to, you know, do my best. But that's definitely not Robin, because Robin is in the woods. That might be this one. Oh my god, this box sucks as... At least give me Rin Tosuka. That's why I bought this one. That's all I care about. Give me the freaking Rin Tosuka and then we can move on. You freaking piece of shit. That's another puzzle piece. Amazing. Those are good. Why don't you... fucking... I don't get it. Why don't you put more of these cards in here? Because you managed those pretty well. And then you put this shit. Nobody would buy this. How... I mean, only people who don't know that you have this would buy this. If I don't get in Rin Tosuka, there's only that little... Oh my god. This opening is just disappointing. I got something special. Never mind. Very cool one, by the way. Booba. What did I got? I got an SSP, whatever that is, of a character that I don't know, which looks kind of cool. But why is not a Rin Tosuka, please? And that's... Oh my god, you fucking asshole! Oh my, oh man, I can't. I'm in my mental breakdown. I need to drink. I got something special in the pack, which got my hopes up, right? But then he removed 1 card. By he, I mean the manufacturer. Who the fuck make this? So he's like, oh, you will get a special card. but in cost of another card. I mean, even the freaking puzzle piece would be fine, because you would be consistent with 3 cards in the pack, but now it's just like, you know what? This costs you 1 extra card. What can I say, man? Please. I almost never say this. Actually, I never said this, but do not buy this box. I'm so annoyed by it right now. I never be annoyed by the box like this. I've seen some shit boxes. I was dissatisfied. I was like amused how crappy they were, but I was never this freaking angry at the box. So please, for the love of God, don't buy this box. He does it again. I have a fucking crappy freaking puzzle piece and then a crappy design card, which is special, and I got only 1 of them. That's the best part of this freaking set, is only the box. It's not worth your money. Definitely not. My only hope is that I will get Rin Tosaka. I don't need anything from it. Now you give me 2 SSR, but I don't care anymore. The damage is done, my man. I'm just annoyed as fuck. Puzzle piece. Don't know who that is. A special card, a cool one, but it means... That's right, that I don't have any more cards in this pack. Not even the puzzle pieces, which you have like a lot of them. What am I seeing? Is this also Robin? That's probably Robin, right? It's her hair, it looks like it, okay. Oh, okay, what the fuck? Okay. I'm also sorry for not censoring this, because I'm just so off. What's happening here? Okay, let me... The fuck is going on here? That doesn't work. This doesn't work. Does this? Yes, it does work. So, I don't know, man. I don't know if YouTube would like this. Oh God. Is this how it goes? No, the hair doesn't work out. I don't trust YouTube algorithm to know that this is allowed. I'm just gonna remove them, you know what? I'm just gonna remove them and we're gonna continue it like this. Disappointment. No Rin Tosaka so far. Cool card, don't care. A hit, don't care. My God. How can you fuck this up this badly? A fucking octopus. As if I care. Don't care, don't care. Whatever. 3 packs left. There's only 1 card that can redeem your piece of shitness. This is from another puzzle, which is like smaller characters. So shit. Oh God. Still shit. I'm not impressed. Ah man. Not only... What is this? How does it work? What is this your knee? Is this yours? Is this your tits? What is this? It is her knee. It goes like this. Look at that. Okay. Cool. Cool. Last pack. If there's no Rin Tosaka in here, I'm angry as fuck. Although thank you for this card. I'm angry as fuck. I need your emotional support right now, because I'm just... Oh man. What the fuck? All these puzzle pieces, which are not Robin, this. All this crap is other puzzle pieces. Oh, excuse me. This. That's impressively bad design of a box. So much red flags, so much puzzles. You remove 1 card for a hit. You don't even include 1 puzzle card. Even though you have so many. I didn't get Robin complete. I didn't get Rin Tosaka. There's not only 1 card of her here. There are few of them. And I didn't get shit. First time I say it, and I won't say it often, but do not buy this. It's not worth your money. Fuck this shit. Thank you for watching. I love you. And I see you in another one, Web Traveler.